Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain the difference between for and for each loop in C#. So let's start. So the first difference is for loop uses an index to iterate through the collection, whereas for each loop iterates directly over each element in collection. For loop requires manual setup such as start, condition, and increment operator, whereas for each automatically handles iteration behind the scenes. The next difference is for is best when you need to access or modify items by index, whereas for each loop is best when you just need to read each item. The next difference is for loop can modify the collection elements using their index, whereas in case of the for each loop, it has a read-only access and can't modify the original collection. In case of the for loop, it is slightly faster in index collection due to direct access, whereas for each loops is slightly slower but cleaner and less error prone. In case of the for loop, it works with the arrays, list, or any collection supporting indexing, whereas the for each loop works with any collection implementing enumerable interface. The next difference is for loop allows more control. You can skip, continue, break, and use indexes in logic, whereas for each loop has a less control over flow, mainly used for linear iteration. In case of the for loop, we can iterate in forward or backward direction manually, whereas in case of the for each loop, it only supports forward collection. And here you can see the example for syntax for loop, which provides the start condition, then end condition, and the increment decrement operator. And for each has a simple syntax like this. So these are some basic difference between for loop and for each loop. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.